Hi there, welcome to another UK Postbox screencast. I'm Mark and today I'll be taking you through some of the settings you can change in your account. So let's dive right in. Anywhere in the platform, you can click the settings icon to open all of your account settings and preferences. In here, you can change many things and we're now going to run through them. The first screen you'll see is your account overview page. This gives you some key information about your account, such as your balance and plan renewal dates. From here, you can top up your account or send us a message. Next, you'll see either personal info or personal info and business info if you're a business user. Here, you can change your key contact information like your email address and telephone numbers. What you can't do is change a name on the account. To do this, you need to navigate to Plan Details, which we'll talk about a little bit later on. Moving on, we have Preferences. This is where you can start to customize your account. The first option is to set a default action. As a reminder, an action is something you can do with each of your items, so setting a default action tells us what you would like to happen when new items arrive. You can choose between Envelope Scan or Open and Scan. Hopefully, both of these are relatively self-explanatory, but just remember whatever is set here will happen to every item when it arrives with us. Regardless of which default action you apply, you can also set some other preferences. You can tell us whether we should notify you about your items via email, or if you would like us to send SMS notifications, which carries a small charge. You can have us notify you via email when your forwarding batches are dispatched with Forward Notify. Choose whether scans get sent directly to your email, and send the maximum number of pages we should scan when we open your letters. The last couple of things on this page are the settings for auto top-ups and auto forwarding. To learn more about auto forwarding, please watch video 4 in this series. For auto top-ups, check out video 6. The next area in your settings is for your address details. This is where you'll find your UK Postbox addresses, both for letters and for parcels. From here, you can copy the details and share them with whoever you need to. Okay, so now we have your plan details, where you can see everything about your current plan and also make some changes to your account. You can request for new names to be added, set up auto renewals, auto top-ups, or send us a message to make other changes. We then have the Apps section, where you can come to download the UK Postbox iOS and Android apps. If you're on a monthly or annual plan with us, then you also have the ability to link your UK Postbox account with your Dropbox and Evernote accounts. Simply click the links and we'll set things up. Just to point out, Dropbox and Evernote integrations aren't available with pay-as-you-go accounts, so if you'd like to use this functionality, then speak to us about upgrading. The next section is critical. It's where all of your account security is controlled. When you open the Security tab, the first thing you'll see is the IP address of your last login and the time it happened. You're able to manage any devices that access your account, such as mobiles or tablets, and set up advanced security like two-factor authentication. Finally, there's our security checklist, which runs you through some things to do if you think your account has been compromised, and the option to change your password. The next two sections give you information about transactions on your account and let you download statements and invoices. Click on the month you'd like to see, and we'll show you a downloadable and printable page. Use the controls in the top of the window to either download or print the document. Right, 2 to go, bear with me. Second to last is the address book. You can go in here and add or remove saved addresses for you to use elsewhere in the app. Finally, we have tags. As we've explained in previous videos, tags are a great way to organize your mail. This area of the settings lets you go in and add or delete tags as and when you need to. We've made it. That's everything in the settings section of the app. Hopefully it all makes sense and you now know where to find things. If you have any questions or need to know more, then please just let us know. We're always here to help you. Thanks for your time. See you again soon.